During this COVID-19 pandemic, I spent hours and hours cooped up behind these four walls, working remotely, building like PowerPoint slides for my work, making YouTube videos, and ending up having most of my viewers not subscribing to my channel. And sometimes it can get quite dreadful. The whole point of me working so hard is that I can, provide a good life for my family can enjoy, and hopefully I can retire with a good amount of money sometime down the line. And that's why sometimes it can really put a toll on my mental health because of all this stress. And I like to kind of unwind by bringing my family for holiday trips before the COVID-19, but now we can do things like staycation or little activities in the sunny island of Singapore. But recently, when I looked at the prices of a lot of activities, you would think that COVID-19 would, slash all the recreational activities prices because business is bad for them, right? But it turns out prices are almost the same. In fact, some of the things that I found are like thousands of dollars, and they're so expensive. And therefore, in order to encourage people like me to kind of shop within Singapore when prices are really high, the government has given every Singaporean over 18 years old $100 per person to kind of spend on recreational activities within Singapore. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you how do you actually use the voucher and how I use this voucher specifically to almost half my staycation fee, resulting in like $199 5-star hotel staycation. So be sure to watch till the end. Alright, so now I'm at the SingapoRediscover website from STB. So bear in mind, right, only Singaporeans get this voucher and it must be used by 30th of June 2021, and you can only use it through the 5 authorized booking partners. So bear in mind, if you use it anywhere else, you can't use this voucher. So through the 5 platforms, there's a lot of activities. Bear in mind, what I found was that Klook gave me the best deal when it came to booking the hotel in February. So when I visited Klook website, they said that 10% off for all new users. Unfortunately, this can't be used together with the $100 Rediscover voucher. So just bear that in mind. On the bright side, Klook also gave me an additional $50 after I bought the hotel staycation. So the 5-star hotel staycation I'll be staying at is at Sofitel. So I get an additional $50 for my next use. So that means $100 off my first purchase, bought it, got extra $50 which I can use for something else. So over their website you can see they have a ton of activities that you can kind of consider. Like M Hotel is going to be like $78 after you use $100 off. So as you can see, this is what I'm going to purchase. You click Pay Now. So as you can see, it's $299 for this 5-star hotel. So fill in the details. And in order to use the Singapore Rediscover voucher, it needs to say eligible. So you just click on the Use Singapore Rediscover voucher. Yeah, so over here you can see I tried to get a 10% voucher. Didn't work. So you want to use the Rediscover voucher. It's going to give you some sort of error. So in order to use the Singapore Rediscover voucher, all you have to do is click on the Singapore Rediscover voucher icon, click it, then there will be a pop-up, and then you need to click a second time in order to get the promo code. So again, I'm going to click on it, it pops up, and bear in mind, it gives you the option to redeem a part of your voucher for your child or your youth. So basically, you can buy a $10 discounted tickets for them. So that means you have $90 for yourself. So $10 per child, so depending on how many child you have. So for me, I decided to max out and use all 10 of my $10 vouchers, so a total of $100. And here's the condition, if you want to kind of use it to subsidize your child's tickets. So I'm going to get my voucher code. So I'm just going to click on it real quick. And there it is, here's my voucher code. So bear in mind, you need to copy it because you're going to reference it in the previous slide. So right now, as you can see, when I try to enter my promo code, I can't because I've added the $10 discount for new users. So what you need to do, right, is to kind of delete that $10 promo, the previous promo. Only then you can add your Singapore Rediscover promo. So as you can see, it doesn't work. So once I cancel it, I add my Rediscover promo code, redeem, bam, it works. So now my $299 staycation became $199. Once you're done applying the coupon, you need to double confirm that the voucher has been applied to your account. And in my case, I'm paying like $129 for my 5-star hotel staycation. And then you need to put your personal details. So I'm going to just fast forward to the end. So once you've entered all your personal details, click on book now, and then step 2 requires you to complete your payment. So actually there's an additional $20 off if you're a UOB card member, but it was fully redeemed, so I didn't kind of reduce my booking to $179. So too bad for me. So once you've made the payment, immediately you'll move on to the process booking page, and at the bottom you will see that you have an additional $50 off all hotels on Klook. And I think it expires the end of next year, so you have 1 year to kind of use it. Additionally, if you scroll down, you can see that you can earn credits for inviting friends. That's right, you earn free credits for inviting friends to join the platform. So right now when I click invite, it tells me all the details that I can share on Facebook, Messenger, copy link, and that is why I'm sharing this lobang with you guys. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see in terms of rewards, I've got 0. So the moment I knew of this wonderful lobang, I kind of want to share it with you guys as quick as I can. So now you know, if you want to sign up, a $5 promo code's down below. So I hope that after watching this video, you have learned how you can kind of use this voucher to get discount on your recreational activities. And bear in mind, this is only for Singaporeans that are over 18 years old, and that means that if there are multiple people in your family that are over 18, let's say my brother is over 18, my mom's over 18, I'm over 18, that means you get multiple $100 vouchers. So this can really stack up quite a little bit of discounts. Do maximize it before it kind of expires in June 2021. And with that said, if you haven't checked out my other videos, check out here and here for other fantastic deals that are around in Singapore. So I hope this video is useful. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.